Hello, in this project we are going to build a simple fire detection using a Seeeduino expansion board. For this project you will need a Seeeduino expansion board, flame detection sensor, some jumper wires, Seeeduino XIAO board and Visuino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. In this project we are going to use Visuino, so go to the website and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the board type. In our case it is Seeeduino XIAO. Add pulse generator component. Add delay component. Add OLED I2C component. Add play frequency tone component. Select delay 1 and in the properties window set interval to 500,000. Double click on the display OLED 1 and in the elements window drag fill screen to the left side. Also add draw text to the left side and in the properties window set size to 3 and text to fire. Now close the elements window. Select play frequency 1 and in the properties window set initial frequency to 10. Select enabled and click on the pin icon and select Boolean sync pin. Select pulse generator 1 and in the properties window select enabled and click on the pin icon and select Boolean sync pin. Connect analog in pin 1 to pulse generator 1 pin enabled. Connect pulse generator 1 pin out to delay 1 pin start and to play frequency 1 pin enabled and to display OLED 1 draw text 1 pin clock. Connect delay 1 pin out to display OLED 1 fill screen 1 pin clock. Connect display OLED 1 pin I2C to the board pin I2C. Connect play frequency 1 pin out to digital pin 3. This is the pin for the piezo speaker. On the bottom click on the build tab. Make sure that you selected the right port and board and click compile, build and upload button.